Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can install Discord on Linux, and you'll be able to install it on pretty much any Linux distribution. So first we're just going to go to snapcraft.io and search for Discord. So this is the Snap version of Discord, and the reason I'm showing you the Snap version first is because of the fact that most distributions support Snap, but only Debian distributions support the download from Discord's website. So I will show you how to download Discord from its website after I show you the Snap way, because the Snap way does tend to be a little bit slower because Snap packages just are naturally slow because of their nature. But if you're on any distribution that's not based on Debian, you would have to do Snap, and if you don't have Snap installed, just click Get Set Up for Snaps right over here. And you'll know if it's pre-installed if you see one of these, and if you're not pre-installed, then for example if you're on Kubuntu, just follow all of these instructions. It's pretty simple, and once you're at this web page, you can either copy this command into the terminal, or you can open this in the desktop store if you're using Ubuntu. So the desktop store is only for Ubuntu, and using the desktop store does the exact same thing that running this command does. So when you run this command, it does the same thing as opening it in the desktop store and installing it. So if you open in the desktop store, just click install right here, and then you're done. If you're going to do it in the command line, just copy that, go to terminal, paste it in, enter your password, and then once it's done installing, you are completely done. So it's that simple. I'm not going to finish that because it's pretty simple. That's all you got to do. Now, if you are on Debian, I do suggest using the official Discord deb file. So if you go to discord.com and you click download for Linux and then you click deb, you will download the Discord deb file. Once you have that file downloaded in your downloads folder, all you have to do is just open the terminal, or you could actually go to your files app and you can see this here. So there's two ways that you can install this deb file. So the first way is with the GUI. So what you do is you'd actually right click and click open with other application, because if you just double click it, it opens it with the archive manager and it tries to unzip it with all the tar files inside it, but that doesn't install it. So you gotta click open with other application and click software install and then select it. So now this does open the software center, but the software center is grabbing this all from this file. So this isn't the Discord from the software center Snap. This is the deb file. So you just click install. But if you wanted to install it from the command line, all you'd have to do is sudo apt install and then /discord, and then you can just click tab because it'll auto-complete it. Unless you have multiple files that start with Discord in that directory, then you just have to copy the file name or something. So now you can click enter here, enter your password, say yes to this confirmation right here, just type Y and click enter. And then you are completely done once that has finished. Don't worry about this error. If you get this down here, it'll all be fine. Everything will work perfectly fine. I prefer always using the terminal because it is way faster than any GUI could ever be. So now we have Discord here, so Discord. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, and I will see you next time.